So yeah, it looks all right, I guess. Not sure if I'm allowed in here, but we're gonna go in anyways. Hi, can I look around? No? She pressed me. I got kicked out. Sorry. Never mind. You know good food here? No. Nothing? There's no good food? No. Oh god damn it. Alright. We're gonna get a sandwich. Not gonna lie, this egg looks weird as hell, yo. There we go. Mic check 1 2. It's your boy John. What's going on? Ow. Today we're in a place called Huay. It's like, I think it's like a border town in Laos. I just crossed from Chiang Mai to here, and we're doing a little slow boat tour. It's gonna take us 2 days. So the first stop is gonna be Prabang, and this is what the boat looks like. Check it out. This is where they drive the thing, I guess. You got the steering wheel, the shrine. Doesn't really look like much, but yeah. This is the steering wheel. And you see these things? These things are for good luck, so that's why they wrap it around like the steering wheel. I think like maybe a monk blesses it or something. But yeah, it's for good luck. Let's check the rest of this place. Hi. Can I look around? No? She pressed me. I got kicked out. Sorry. Never mind. Alright, so before this adventure begins, we gotta grab some food because they don't cook any food in the boat. It's gonna take us like 6 hours, so we better get something to eat. And maybe we'll get something here. So we can't take none of these things on the boat. Hey, you taking a video too? No? Yeah. You know good food here? No. Nothing? There's no good food? No. Oh god damn it. Alright. We're gonna get a sandwich. Can I get one?
Chicken?
What do you have?
We have chicken and tuna.
Oh damn.
This chicken, this egg omelette.
This is, can I get a
chicken?
Chicken. Let's get chicken. How much is one?
25,000.
Oh my god. Give me 20?
Baht.
50 baht? Okay.
It's cheap, really cheap.
Let's get one. Let's get one.
You need spicy?
Yeah. I want to make it really spicy. Put some lettuce. Yeah. Some chili. Sweet chili, I guess. These are the veggies. So we got cucumber, onions, some shredded carrots, and some tomato, and some chicken, right?
Yes.
What's the name of this?
Huh?
What's the name? This is like Lao sandwich, right?
Yeah, khao chi.
Khao chi.
Red, this khao chi.
They call it khao chi.
Same sandwich now.
It's kind of like
khao chi sandwich.
Oh, it's kind of like a Vietnamese banh mi.
Banh mi Viet from
Banh mi Viet.
Khao chi.
And it costs 25,000 kip, which is a little bit over $1. It was good. Alright, so I just got my ticket. This whole experience cost me about 2,900 baht, which is like $100, I think. And it's gonna take 2 days. So the first slow boat is gonna take 6 hours. And yeah, this is what the boat looks like. Exciting times. Alright, here we go. Wow.
Aber ich weiß halt nicht, ob das möglich ist. Ich glaube nicht, ne?
Yeah. I guess they put the backpack here. Oh god. Pretty dangerous. And I think I want to sit in the back. So it looks like it can fit about like, I don't know, maybe 100 people. Yeah, let's sit by these locals. And they also got like a food shop here where you can buy stuff. What do you got over there? You got some sodas, some instant noodles, and some chips. So it's very basic. Alright. So it looks like the boat is gonna be half empty, so I'm gonna have this seat to myself hopefully so I can sleep. Check it out real quick. It's like a 3-seater. The seats are really like anchored to the boat, as you can tell. But yeah, should be safe. Hopefully there's like some life jackets on this thing. Okay, just eat this banh mi or khao chi, as they call it in Laos, and check it out. Pretty basic. They make it in a baguette bread and they wrap it in a banana leaf to keep everything together. Alright, so here we go. Check this out. It looks pretty basic. Don't expect much from it, but yeah, here we go. Bon appétit.
Devant lui là, il y a 2 places. Il y a des trucs sous son siège. Il prenait cette place et celle-ci. Ah ouais, non, mais il est. Si elle t'avait demandé.
Not the best.
Pour être assis tout devant là. Là où il y a les 2 colonnes de mecs qui doivent faire.
Khao chi. It's missing like a key ingredient.
Moi je pense que c'est les pires en fait.
Pate.
Ouais,
Voilà, yeah. It's not bad.
Face à face comme ça, faut que tu veux regarder.
I think this is where the staff stay too. And they cook, they eat here. The engine's back here. Yeah, check it out. You got a TV, food, local food. So they have grilled meat. Thai. So this is eggs and sticky rice. Look. This is how they eat it, yo. Straight with the hand. Damn. I'm gonna try some of this egg. Oh my god. Not gonna lie, this egg was weird as hell, yo. There we go. Good, yo. Fire. Thank you. Come back, come back. Don't want to fall in there. Okay, so this is what a toilet looks like in a slow boat. Check it out. So you got the toilet. Not sure if this flushes. Oh, it does flush. But you also have like a bucket of water to flush it too. And got a small window. Light. And that's about it. That's what a toilet looks like in a slow boat. Okay, so I made it to, what is this place called? Huay Bang. And what I want to do right now is eat some food because I'm starving. There was no food on the boat, so we're gonna get some real local food. And on the way here to my hotel, I spotted like some barbecue, I guess, and they had these amazing looking sausages that I want to try out. And it looks very local, so let's go. Barbecue? How much is this? This looks amazing, you know? What is this?
Sausage pork.
Sausage pork? What's the Laos name?
Lao.
Sai Gok?
Say ua.
Sai Ua. Oh
Say
yeah.
gok.
Give me, how much is one?
30, big, small, 20.
Give me a big one.
Big one.
And what's this?
Pork.
Pork what?
Yes, only pork.
Sai? So this is intestines. They also got chicken and
Chicken.
some ribs, I think too. Give me one, the big one.
Big,
Big one.
40.
Oh damn. Give me the BBC one.
Big
40 one, yeah.
one.
Yeah. Thank you. You have a sticky rice too?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, okay.
I have.
I eat it here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Get it. Oh, this place has a nice view too. And I'm the only one here. Sick. So this is where we'll be eating, folks. And I'm really digging the music too. Can I have something to drink? Let's go beer lao. How much is the small one?
20.
20?
Yeah.
How much is the big one?
30.
30? Give me the big one. Me? Thank you. Okay. Here it is, boys. Sai ua, Lao style. So sai ua is like a pork sausage, minced pork sausage with some herbs and spices. And it smells fire. Also got some sticky rice. Not sure how much sticky rice costs. Beer lao was 30. It's kind of expensive. Maybe because it's really hard to get up here. And sai ua was 30 to 40. 1,000 kip, which is like $2. Alright. Let's try it out. Oh, awesome. You always eat with sticky rice. The only thing that's missing is like some sauce. Oh yeah, it's good. This is my room. I got for $10. Room number 4. Alright, where's the lights? Boom. And here it is, boys. So it's a fan room, I guess? Oh no, it's got AC, some towels, soap, water. Someone drank half of this water. Oh god. Anyways, let's check out the bathroom. Alright. It's missing the toilet topper. But yeah, I'll be here for one night and then we're off to Luang Prabang tomorrow. Peace.